Hey, Jake, where do you turn to for business advice?
Yeah, it's such an important thing is having a network of people around you that you
Yeah.
can lean on, right? And you can learn
Hmm.
from. I think I turn to experts both within the laundromat industry
Hmm.
and outside of the laundromat industry
Hmm.
because I think both perspectives are valuable. So
Absolutely.
inside the industry, I like to lean on seasoned operators. They've been doing this, they've been in the trenches, they have some experience. I also talk to my distributor. Organizations like the CLA are absolutely great. I've spoken to Brian Wallace from CLA and even Brian Grell from Eastern Funding so many times as I was getting started and even
Right.
after I got started, and I wanted to understand different things about the industry.
Right.
So they've been great. Also, I like to talk to entrepreneurs that support the laundromat industry. So Alex from Sense, great example, right? He
Mhm.
built a business around improving laundromat operations. So he's been able to help not only on the operational side, but the laundromat industry at large,
Right.
understanding what private equity is looking at and these thousand location franchises, how that if they want to get into the industry, what they're looking at.
Hmm.
Ultimately, that helps you build your enterprise value. So when you do exit eventually, you can maximize that and build something for the people who will buy it.
Right.
Um, when I think about outside the industry, one of the biggest resources in my life for business has been Entrepreneurs Organization. And it's also known as EO. So, EO is a group of business owners with the sole goal of helping other business owners, right? It's not
Okay.
like one of these groups where it's super salesy. You go in, everybody's handing a card, trying to sell something. They have a strict
Right.
no solicitation policy, and
Okay.
it's all just about helping each other. So, there's so many things that you can get value from an EO, but one is the mastermind. Every
Hmm.
month, I meet with a group of entrepreneurs, all in different industries, all at different points of their business.
Hmm.
And we talk about challenges. We talk about what's working, what's not working. And we're able to share really openly due to the confidentiality and get
Hmm.
real applicable advice from people who are all over the gamut in their business experience.
Hmm.
Um, as we talked about, I started Gateway Builders at 19 years old. And
Hmm.
at the time, not only did I have no construction experience, but I had no business experience. And
Right.
this was the resource that, I had a question about payroll or taxes or any one of the things that an entrepreneur needs to know. I could shoot an email to the group. I could go to the Facebook group, and I'd get responses from dozens of entrepreneurs that
Hmm.
had been there before that were able to help
That's
me
great.
out.